Holy catfish, Batman. This is a huge 35-ounce, 150-hour burn time, 3-wick natural aromatherapy candle I got on Amazon from M&Sense. This is actually my fourth candle from this line. I really like these huge sizes because the candles last so long and because I can repurpose the lovely jars for my plants when done or use them for other stuff. This one is called Sunset Mandarin and it's highly scented. I think this might just be my favorite one so far. It's tangy and yummy and has a great cold throw right out of the box and a lovely hot throw too. And tangerines, like oranges, are suitable all year round and make your home smell so inviting. I just started this one, but I know I'm going to be back for another scent when this one is done in a couple of weeks or less. I might end up using it more often. It'll go down faster. But yeah, 150 hours is a pretty good chunk of time for a candle, I think.